Hello, Microsoft Office users. Do you want to compare two sheets for differences? In this tutorial, we will illustrate easy ways to compare two workbooks for differences. In our daily work, you may run into situations when you need to compare two Excel workbooks. For example, compare the previous and current versions of a workbook to find the differences, or find the changes your colleagues have updated in your workbooks. Kutools for Excel not only provides the Select Same and Different Cells feature to quickly compare two workbooks, but also another helpful feature to easily compare two sheets, side by side, and highlight the differences. First, open the main workbook you want to use as a base sheet. Go to the Kutools Plus tab, click Worksheet, and then click the Compare Worksheets in the drop-down list. Now, a Compare Worksheets dialog box pops up. In the main section, the active January worksheet in the January sales workbook is already selected by default. In the Lookup section, click the Browse button to select the February worksheet in the February sales workbook. After that, click the Next button to move to the Settings page. In the Mark Results section, set the way you want the different cells to show. You can decide to select the background color, bottom border color, or font color to highlight the cells that are different as you need. Cells different in the main sheet and lookup sheet indicate the different cells between two sheets in the overlap area of their used ranges. Notes: by default, the three colors in the Mark Result with Color section are already set. You can change the colors according to your preference. Click the OK button to get the result. You can see the differences are successfully highlighted in the two workbooks side by side. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to get Kutools for Excel add-on, you can find Kutools download link in video description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more update on Microsoft Excel tutorials and technical videos.